own name. Have you practiced saying it? Hello, it's Misha Arst. Okay, so Joe, we're going to start with a couple of the exercises we've already done to see if you remember. So that's how we stretch, counting to 8. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, coig, shia, shia. Oh, I got shias, 3, 4, coig, shia, shia. Oh, I got bounce, 3, 4, coig, shia, shia. Oh, I got suas, 3, 4, coig, shia, shia. Oh, I got suas, 3, 4, coig, shia. I got shears, 3, 4, coig, shia. I got bounce, 3, 4, coig, shia. I got suas, 3, 4, coig, shia. I got suas, 3, 4, shears, 3, 4, bounce, 3, 4. I got suas, 3, 4. Suas, shears, bounce, I got suas, suas, shears, bounce, I got suas. I got mach, hula, shear. Kerst, nische, wil kun je het the right hand mach, live-ish, I got the charak mach, I got jin kerkel, let the charak. Kerst, a small circle with your finger, moving up to cool dorn. Remember what cool dorn is? The back of your wrist. Cool dorn. And you have kerkel. Kerst, I got an origin von ulling. Ulling is elbow. Ulling. That's an origin von gualing, from the shoulder. Gualing. I got kerkel. Homors is suring. Kerst, I got an origin rash. I got kerkel in the slower. I got von ulling eriecht. I guess cool dorn, I guess the charak. I guess kramach the lava, cruise sitting. Shake your hand out as hard as you can. Nisha, live lee, the left hand. I guess karak, finger. I guess you kjarkel, let the charak, okay? I guess an origin cool dorn, the back of your wrist. Oh, I can hear the bones clicking. I guess uling, from the elbow, uling. I guess from the gualing, from your shoulder, big circle. As big as you can, okay? Agus a rash riist, agus notion von uling, cool dorn, agus the charak, agus kramach the lav, o croi suri. So nish het gas, kerst, kas amach, agus jin kjarkel, van ubren, from the ankle, ubren. Agus notion close van the gloon, so notion groching from the hip, doing circles of 8, yeah, if you can, and keeping your balance all the time. Kramach the chas, agus a chas ele. Chas chli. Kjarkel le ubren, the ankle, agus norsen van a gloon a gloset, agus norsen van groching from the hip, do your circles of 8, okay? Agus kramach the chas, oh arsin nische. I want you to think that you've got a big sweetie here, and you're putting it in your mouth. Nose a bit smaller. Almost finished. Clever. A notion. A big face. Hello! And you say hello in a big voice. And a small face. Hello! And hello in a small face, okay? I guess holy shit. That's a good bit of exercise done, and you can try it again yourself, okay? Really exercising all those parts and warming up, okay? Nisha, let's go inside and see what happens next. Gleva, now now we're back inside, okay? Now I'm going to try this exercise with you and hopefully you'll understand what I mean. So there's two words in Gaelic, ha, which kind of means yes, and chanel, which kind of means no. Vilutol yinavu, are you going to the shop? Vilutol yinavu. Ha would mean ha, yes, and chanel, I'm not going to the shop. Yes? So I want you to think with whoever you're at home with of creating a short story, for example, okay? So for example, one might be this chair. You could have somebody sitting there pretending they're the hairdressers, yes? And so you're only allowed to use the words ha and cumail, and you can use body language and mime to help, and the way you intonate the words or colour the words, the way you say them, like ha or ha, can mean different things, yeah? Okay, so I'm going to pretend there's someone in the chair here and that I'm a hairdresser, okay? So for example, someone's sitting there and I would go ha. Oh, cumail. Ha. Cumail. Oh, ha. Oh yes, so in theory what I'm doing here is going through the magazine of different hairstyles to show the customer what I could do for them, yeah? And eventually you go ha, cumail, until they agree in one by saying ha. So then we'll start by getting your scissors, ha, nice and sharp, ready to go, and start cutting the hair. Ha, oh, ha, ooh, doing very well, here's looking good, ha, ha, oh, cumail. So, but don't tell them that, okay? Ha, oh ha, cumail. They might say cumail as they think something's going wrong. And then, of course, when you finish off the haircut, you go ha. In other words, pay for your haircut. And they might go, not happy with it. So cumail, and go ha, cumail. So I hope that might make sense. An easier way of arguing over it would be, for example, if you have your puppet hand. And if you have someone in the house who wants your puppet hand, and you go like this, and you go, someone going, ha, going, cumail, ha, cumail, ha, cumail. So it might just be a simple argument of, that's mine. No, it's not, it's mine, give it to me. So that'd be a simple ha, cumail. For example, if we had this CD, and in fact, this one's even better. Look at this one. Glasgow by Finlay Napier. A great CD. So you might be in an argument over whose CD this. Ha! Cumail! Ha! Cumail! And you'd be fighting over the CD. So I hope that makes sense of how to create a very simple sketch using two words, and the words meaning more than one thing perhaps. Okay. So, very good. In a minute I'm going to show you how I make pancakes, and meanwhile I'm going to listen to some of this album. Gleva! Gleva. Nisha, I quite often make pancakes. We're in Granny's house, and there's this book called Recipes from the Orkney Islands. So we're going to try this one, and I think it's slightly different from how I do it. So, here we go. 600 grams of self-raising flour. So that's roughly 2 cups, okay? So that's 1 cup. And this. Oh, just enough there. 2nd cup. And I always like to sieve it through to aerate the flour. There we go. Oh, too stuck. So there we have the flour. Now I've got 25 grams of margarine in here, so I'm going to put this in a cup, weighed that out already. I guess wash it in. And then how much syrup do we need? 1 dessert spoon of syrup, so there we go. Big dessert spoon, stylish, into the cup. It takes an issue, cup over here. You're going to put in a pan of boiling water. So we'll boil that up a wee bit so the margarine and the syrup melts together. Okay, Nisha sugar. We want a tablespoon of sugar. So just a nice big tablespoon there. Caster sugar, stylish, and what else do we have? Oh yes, we need the raising agents, don't we? Need bicarbonate of soda and cream of tartar, I guess. So we've got a sachet here of cream of tartar. Just empty that in without spilling it all over the place. And the nourishing bicarbonate of soda. we're going to have a teaspoon of that, a level teaspoon, Kirst, and just fling that in. Okay, now I'll whisk that round, and yep, Gaelic, see how this is doing, if it's melting away. Well, that's looking good. Yep. That's just about ready. And then I'll get an egg. Need an egg. So show Anya. I guess. Ooh. So we're going to mix them together too. And let's just get a wee bowl for that. The egg in there. The banya, a bit of milk. And just give me a fork. Get a wee fork to twist that about. Okay, now I'll take this off. You can see how that's all melted in there. Yeah, this syrup and the margarine together. So put that there for a second to cool down. Meanwhile, continue on and make a wee well in the middle. Agus stylish and ooh. Agus and banya. So in with them, and I just mix by hand. I find it just as easy and just as good, if not better. There we go. Let's get this in. Yep. Milk, the margarine and the syrup. Mix that in. Nisha. And then you add milk until you get the right consistency. So obviously when you do this at home you can do it with little mess, I think, compared to the mess I'm making. Yeah? A terrible mess here. Look at that, Nisha, mixing in nicely. But it's a wee bit thick. So a little bit more milk. Oh. My gores, Jack, with cumail, mixing it by hand. You can use a wooden spoon if you'd rather not get your hands all messy. I guess. What do you think? A wee bit thick yet? Yeah, a wee bit thick. So a little bit more banya, bacon of banya. A little bit more milk. Hope that's not too much now, It'll be crumpets we'll be getting, not pancakes. I guess so, You think that's a better consistency? I think so. Yes, just about right, I think. I guess Shine. Jeshel, sana gal a griddle hamis moya. Okay. And we'll let that rest for a little minute. So here we have the griddle, and now I'm going to put a little bit of marge on it to melt away so the pancake mixture doesn't stick completely to the griddle. Look at this fantastic griddle. We don't want one of them at our house, it'd be good. To see, just usually use a frying pan at home, which you can also use for cooking your pancakes. So now I'm going to get a bit of the mixture. And let's see how that goes. If you're brave, you can put on 2 or 3 at the same time. Good. They're not very good shapes, are they? But Cleo, they're being there, they're coming along. Nisha, where's the fish slice? Or a spatula. Let's get the spatula. Just have your knife. Clever. So turn that up so it's Important to get the right heat for your pancakes. Clear. Gleva. So we've made our pancakes and getting hungry, so we thought we'd do a little bit more puppeteering. I hope you're enjoying the puppets. So the other thing about puppets, it's important that the eyes are kind of straight rather than like that, for example, because it's all about the focus of the eyes into the camera. So let's try counting again, yeah? Un, good, So you ready? Agus, have you got your puppet? Okay, agus. Un, ja, tri, ceher, coig, shia, sheach, och, nui, jech. Gleva. Oh, my eyes are all wobbly, are they? Nisha. What I want you to think about is, so hello is Misha. I don't have a name for my glove puppet yet, so what will we call them? Stoche Nial. Gaelic for nil. So Nil, the glove puppet, is Misha Nial. Hello is Misha Nial. Hello is Misha Nial. So remember, it's all to do with syllables. Hello is 2 syllables. Is Misha Nial. Okay, hello, I am Nil. Kimmer ahau. Kimmer ahau. How are you? Do you want to try that? Kimmer ahau. Again, Kimmer ahau. How are you? And the answer would be ha mi gu ma. That's a nice easy one to do because it's just one syllable in each word. Ha mi gu ma. Or if you go ha mi gu ma tach belecht. Ha mi gu ma tach belecht. Yep. So do you want to try that? Just a little bit of Gaelic. So introducing yourself. Hello is Misha Nial. Kimmer ahau. Ha gu ma tach belecht. I am well, thank you. Okay, so now we've found a little friend in Granny's house to meet Niall. And this is my friend Croc o Dundee. Croc o Dundee. In Gaelic, Croc o Dundee. Croc from Dundee. Croc o Dundee. So this is not really a proper puppet, but I thought it'd be fun, yeah? So, hello is Misha Niall. Hello is Misha Croc o Dundee. Kimmer ahau. Ha gu ma tach belecht. Kimmer ahau hen. Ha Misha gu ma tach belecht. Croc o Dundee. So do you want to try that? Just hello is Misha, so introducing yourself with your name, and then Kimmer ahau. How are you? Ha Misha gu ma tach belecht. Kimmer ahau hen. How are you? So once more, hello is Misha Niall. Hello is Misha Croc o Dundee. Kimmer ahau. Ha mi gu ma tach belecht. Kimmer ahau hen. Ha Misha gu ma pujach tach belecht. I am well too. So that's just a few simple phrases, Gaelic phrases, for when you come to the Feish next year, you'll be able to go, hello is Misha, and I'll say hello is Misha Artair, and I'll say Kimmer ahau, and you'd say ha mi gu ma tach belecht. And if you're not feeling good, you say ha mi gu ma. Okay, a bit like the exercise we had earlier with ha nil. I guess, yep. So, sound lelms a ha sure. This is mine. Hanil. Ha. Hanil. Ha. Hanil. Ha. Hanil. And then you can develop the sketch with more words in English or Gaelic or any other language that you happen to speak. Okay. So I hope you try to practice your numbers and your introductions with the puppet that you made, hopefully, and practice your lip sync. Okay. Gleva. Gleva. So now, let's see how that pan. Oh, look at that. Havor perfect. Huh? Almost. Oh, lovely. Lovely, lovely. Clever. Golden brown pancakes, eh? From the Orkney Islands. Oh dear. So, now I've got 4 pancakes. Clever. So this bit's the hot bit. You might want some help from an adult in your house, just to make sure you don't burn yourself. Okay, and then when they're ready, take them off. I would suggest putting them on a wire rack tray is the best way. Yeah, and you can turn them again just to check that they're cooking through. I think that one's pretty good. Count ma. Version of Count ma, looking good. This one's not quite so good, is it? I made a bit of a mess of that one. But that's what happens when you first try the Orkney Island pancake recipe. Look at that. Finish it. Done a few more. You might manage to make a better job of making your pancakes round compared to mine, but as you can see they're cooking quite nicely, and I'm still making a mess, so hopefully you'll learn to cook without making a mess. Clever. So we'll just see how those ones come on. Clever. So you can see this pancake is almost ready, because you start to see the bubbles. That's when you can tell it's ready to flip over. Okay, oh, quite well done that one, eh? Clever. And go to clever. So I think those ones are done. Some would say well done, but some customers like well done pancakes, so don't be worried about that. So let's see if I can make some more golden brown ones to finish with. Clever man, those ones are starting to bubble, so let's see if they're... Oh! Maybe I've got it too hot, have I? I guess. Oh, there we go. Clever. And more pancakes. So we're going to leave them to cook. Then later on I'm going to enjoy one of those pancakes before we have our story. Yep. So they're looking good. A wee bit of butter and jam on my pancakes before we have the story. So I hope you try this at home with your granny or mum. Probably makes good pancakes already. But you might want to try the Orkney Island recipe. Okay, very good. Clever. Ha sheen e rash. Ha sheen e rash. We are back. Ha sheen e rash. Nisha, looking down here, we did this before, where I'm going to take this cover off. I found an old towel of Granny's, and underneath the towel there is 15 items, yeah? And I want you to get a pen and a pad, or a pencil and pad, and write down as many, or maybe just try and remember as many as you can in the time allocated, yeah? So we're going to give you 20 seconds, I think that's more than enough time. I think the last time it seemed quite long. And remember, no freeze framing the video so you can stop it and get all the answers, okay? Just try and get as many as you can. So here goes. Agus. On you go. Write down what you can see there. Un, ja, tri, keher, koig, shia, shach, och, nui, jich. Un, ja, tri, keher, koig, shia, shach, och, nui, jich. Fiche chicken. 20 seconds. More than plenty time, I think. How did you get on with that? How many do you think you got? Well, have a wee think. Try and remember, even though it's covered again, you can still try and think about how many you got or what you saw, okay, and write it down. And then tell whoever's with you how many you got and see how many they got to see who got most. Okay? Very good. Ah, yum, yum. Pancakes a coiad blaste. Nisha, ha mi dayan of fair rahin. Mas genshin skill, ga. Nice golden brown pancake, root baked eam, little bit of butter. And I'm going to have some black currant jam. You can have any. What kind of jam do you like? Raspberry, strawberry, plum jam, stocha? I don't know. I'm going to have this lovely pancake and listen to a story. But oh, watch out. There's trouble about. Huh? So, Saun Lelmse, ha and pancake. The pancake belongs to you, Neil. I don't think so. Saun Lelmse, a ha and pancake. Sure. Saun Lelmse, ha and pancake. Neil. Get rid of them. Saun Lelmse, a ha and pancake. Nisha, off to listen to a story. Hello there, agus fáil Charash. And Nisha with the Levig Skielach story. I'm going to read you a little story, and it comes from this book, Read With Me Stories. And the first story I'm going to read you is called Freddy Fox. Nisha. Below sonnagal amach a chluich called a carriage nacket, Freddy, ha ma had a feinjoch. Han you me sonnagal amach, han dushke aun, Freddy gra. Cur-seachdan nach ha Mrs. Fox a gra. Hai trangs, hai geri foshers on up the yano, agus samchas. Han you me son, go be mirabel fluch, ha Freddy gra. Ha gama proshel in urupel, more alling jerigike. Do you want to go out and play with your friends, Freddy? Asks Freddy's mother. I do not want to go out because it is raining, says Freddy. Why not, says Mrs. Fox. She is sewing and wants some peace and quiet. I do not want to get my tail wet, says Freddy. He is very proud of his beautiful red tail. Tuilleadh ha Freddy feiking in carriage in Tunnach Desmond. Desmond is splashig am a gorge aan se duske. He gemaach is kluich ha gra. Han je son gefein mirabel vlug ha Freddy gra. Cross na boden agus ver lecht brolly agus ha nas the vlug eacher, wrote Mrs. Fox. Outside Freddy sees his friend Desmond duck. Desmond is splashing in the water. Come and play, he calls. I don't want to get my tail wet, says Freddy. If you put your boots on and take an umbrella, you will not get wet, says Mrs. Fox. Ha Freddy does so the stide, it coyet there's on boden and agus brolly. Ha coyet van the leppy, ha ganil the shin. Ha coyet on the presse, ha ganil the shin the small. Ha Freddy clinch the mare gevach, ha the boden and agus brolly ha cheers a show. Ha Freddy ruish cheers the stide, agus the unius and be. Ha Jeshel van Olamach a chluich. Freddy goes upstairs to look for his boots and his brolly. He looks under the bed, but they are not there. He looks in his wardrobe, but they are not there either. Freddy hears his mother calling him, "Your boots and your brolly are down here." Freddy runs downstairs and is soon ready to go out and play. Ha Wilbur Weasel china chluich kujach. He shakes his wet fur all over Freddy, does Wilbur Weasel. Kait amach, a Freddy gevach, and tushke granta. Jasering in a yano. Ta Rudan had Desmond a gra. A doshach, sring a cluich game for a vision of splashing him a gorst. Famous in one more a warrak, snores in lame alm, ho cruise a stringing, agus and splasher is small a buanach. Wilbur Weasel comes out to play. He shakes his wet fur all over Freddy. "Look out," shouts Freddy. "Rain is horrible. What can we do?" "Lots of things," says Desmond. "First we can play a splashing game. We must find a big puddle, then jump in it as hard as we can, and the biggest splash wins. A thula tuilleadh lawn mór agus a lé maun ho cruis is sringaibh. Splash! A Desmond splash more. Splash! A Wilbur splash na smór. Agus splash! A Freddy a splash is smór na duine sa bí eile. Ha seo spórsol ha Freddy a gra. Gav mo leisgul hat gu vo aarst ans de kreuven de gra. Han je misjes munch go vil a spórsol. How in mechteken ga jan of fluch. Everyone chooses a big puddle and jumps in it as hard as they can. Splash! Desmond makes a big splash. Splash! Wilbur makes a big splash. And splash! Freddy makes the biggest splash of all. This is fun, says Freddy. Excuse me, says a voice from high in the branches of a tree. I don't think it is fun. You've made my feathers very wet. Ollie and Caillichanich skeim of half. Statchin a drasder, ha gra. Had ulle ruier fallaf, ha urpal Freddy fluch, ach, hanila ganjachig shit. Jee nisje nisht, ha Freddy feinjach. A feisarainnonline, says Wilbur. Nisjen batichen a paper, ag a shallishin aan se duske. Ollie Owl flutters his wet wings. Please stop that at once, he hoots. They all scamper away. Freddy's tail is wet at the tip, but he does not notice. What shall we do now? Asks Freddy. I know, says Wilbur. We can make some paper boats and sail them along the stream. And the batichen the shelliger and nuske. Sitting reis viaken in the batichen at Desmond a geamaichean. Táshich. And a tree carriagein the geamaichean at han the batichen bekachke a rui aan se duske. Ha Freddy likkel nurpel aan se nuske, ach han ila mogler shit. Han bade ikke bonige gereis. Had Desmond de snaaf returven de batichen. Shall warm, said gra. Ha mische tashaharasm gen je bade buie a homum. The paper boats float along the water. We can have a race with the boats, cries Desmond. Let's go! The three friends cheer the little boats along the stream. Freddy drops half his tail in the water, but he does not notice. His boat is winning the race. Desmond swims beside the boats. Look at me, he calls. I am pretending to be a yellow boat. Beter jag bring ulle wie na badichen hos Freddy. Snoos na piachkeke. Had toste brali, agus kubunis kion, agus kurranuske. Agus had dal girach mar bade. Ha leem en bruin en brali. Smische captain in a bade, ha gra. Wilbur jump. Ha Wilbur leem is tijd college. Ha urpel Freddy het tuchtjum harish tuve bade, agus a fas onzig heen vlug. Ach, hanila mogel in de shit. Ha orang shelve angs a bade brolieke. I wish we could all pretend to be boats, says Freddy. And he has an idea. He takes his umbrella, turns it upside down and sets it on the water. It floats just like a boat. He jumps into the umbrella. I am the captain of this boat, he says. Wilbur jumps in beside him. Freddy's tail falls over the side and gets very wet. But he does not notice. He is too busy sailing his umbrella boat. Snoors na Desmond de gra. Ha dal making tuilleadh. Throw it all at dunje. Ha Desmond de sna verash soos. Agus ha kayat soos harish goalike. Ach, han je Freddy agus Wilbur a cool weetje. Han nuringaif it darst a bad de tjuntai me goorst. Agus had cooked half lische duske na satje agus na satje fallaf. Desmond says, time to go home, come on everyone. Desmond begins to swim back up the stream. He looks over his shoulder, but Freddy and Wilbur are not behind him. They cannot make the umbrella boat turn around, and the stream is carrying them further and further away. Cur-seachdan had the geamaichean. Norsin and Mrs. Tunnach is snav calderwa. Hai larach, I can't son Desmond. Hai feikin umbrella li Freddy agus Wilbur agus cumail hai snav astan Jewy. Hai ga slute go sabatje go tuve duske. Tangleif ha Freddy gra ha bok vlug ach han jula morgen. Ha Rudan Spo anal a jaar. Help us, they cry. Then Mrs. Duck swims along. She is looking for Desmond. She sees the umbrella with Freddy and Wilbur in it and quickly swims after it. She pulls it safely to the bank. Thank you, gasps Freddy. He is soaking wet, but he does not notice. He is too busy catching his breath. Ha hula dunje dollarage go taig Freddy vat fast chirum mahonyo and chenyo vor. So jaiker a Freddy, Desmond agus Wilbur is suye mahonyo van chenyo a gal banyo che agus a giche brisketje. Smashin a Freddy kunyo get a urapalaike. Oh, murapal bach, says ha Freddy a gra. Everyone goes back to Freddy's house to dry in front of the fire. Soon, Freddy and Desmond and Wilbur are sitting in front of the fire, drinking hot milk and eating cookies. Suddenly, Freddy remembers his tail. Oh, my poor tail, says Freddy. Fheimiltir gema, gfeikelach, no al cloich faschke duske, ha Mrs. Fox a gra. Ha biach, ag Mrs. Tunnach. Eentje misje Freddy agus Wilbur kimmer in jet snav mar Tunnachen, hai gra. Snorsen sin get cloich gesaveltje aan se duske. Nisje Freddy en Mrs. Fox a gra. Ha surprise a kan lucht. Doen te hoelen. Sa Freddy doen in a soeleneke. You must be very careful when you play near water, scolds Mrs. Fox. Mrs. Duck has an idea. I will teach Freddy and Wilbur to swim like ducks, she says. Then they can play safely in the stream. Now, Freddy, says Mrs. Fox, I have a surprise for you. Close your eyes. And Freddy closes his eyes. Nisha, foot the quiet, says Mrs. Fox agra. Hij shouting at Freddy, rut hij vi koppedir. She shachket spuye haan, zo'n het duske. Be quiet, jirach maar Desmond en Nisha. How kind maar Misha had Desmond agra. Snave Misha maar Tunnach, agis kind maar Tunnach, ha Freddy agadach. Now we can look, says Mrs. Fox. She shows Freddy what she has been sewing. It is a bright yellow raincoat. You will look just like me, says Desmond. I will swim like a duck and look like a duck, laughs Freddy. Freddy was very happy with his new